Okay, everybody. So I'm going to show you Adobe Camera Raw and how to use the adjustment brush to enhance your image and make a localized adjustment in one specific spot of your image. So I've got this image, this landscape image again. I'm going to open it up by double clicking on the thumbnail in Photoshop so that it opens up as a smart object back into Adobe Camera Raw. I've already made some initial adjustments, even some graduated filter adjustments, but now what I really want to do is use this adjustment brush tool, which is up here in the top, to just come in and paint some specific adjustments into my image. And so I've already kind of done this. I've made a little swath through the tree line of this landscape, and you can see the mask here. It's made to be pink. And this is what it actually did. This is what it was before, and this is what it was after. So it's a subtle adjustment, but really what I wanted to do here is darken down the trees, make the blacks a little bit darker. I added some clarity over here. And yeah, a little bit of contrast. And I probably don't even need this exposure. But I can come in and I can dynamically adjust that. But first, I'm just going to come in and I'm going to delete this. So it's gone by selecting the overlay control point. And let's make a new one. So I'm going to use my brush tools are further down here. If they're right down here, it says size, feather, flow, and density. So I'm going to have my feather is at 100%, so it's a very soft brush. Okay, that's what that means. And I'm going to come in and I'm just going to move over this area. You'll be able to see the mask as I do it because I have my mask feature checked in the lower right. So I'm just going over this area, making sure I make a good selection, essentially, all the areas that I care about. Of course, this is just showing me the mask. I'm not actually making it red. Then I can turn my mask off. Notice I get a control point right here. When it's selected, it's red, and that means it's active. And so I've already made my adjustments here. I'm probably going to turn off this, zero out the exposure, maybe even increase the contrast a little bit more, but I've got some clarity and some blacks. And again, you can come down here and click on this little icon that sort of looks like settings, little dots on lines. It's a toggle between the current state and the original state. So I'm gonna zoom out just a little bit too so you can see the whole thing and take it all in, but this is before, this is after. So it just increases that contrast and that band of trees, makes them pop out a little bit more. Helps the whole image just be a little bit more dynamic and interesting and to look at. So hopefully that helps you. You can use this adjustment brush for so many different parts of your images to make them have localized contrast that's better, emphasize, brighten parts, darken parts as needed. So try it out.